Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I am going to show you how to create a image. So at first I'm going to Chrome browser and open Chrome browser, search on Google, type Bing Image Creator and then enter. Click on first website link. It is the home page of the website. Click on join and create. In here I paste my prompt. I have provided this prompt in the description box. You can copy and use it. Okay, at first I select this name. This is boy name. If you want to change, you can replace with your name. Okay, and also you can change this social media name, Facebook. If you want to change this name or replace, you can change or replace any social media name with. Okay, after that you can click on creating. Just it has been created. Wow, so beautiful picture. If you want to download this picture, you just click on three dot icon and click on download. After that you can see this picture is downloaded. Thank you so much for watching this video.